Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will see one more built-in function that is percentage lookup. So let's go through the program. So here we are writing the program in fully free format, and on line number 9, I am declaring some control option that is no debug IO and src stmt. So this is mainly for the debugging purpose. Below to that, we are declaring one array. So my array name is amount, which is of numeric type of length 2 and it has dimension 5. And here on line number 18 we are declaring one variable that is position, which is of numeric type size 2, and we have initialized it so that it will not contain any kind of garbage value. Now from line number 21 to line number 26 we are assigning some values to these array elements. We are assigning some values to these array dimensions. So here on first dimension I have assigned 30, on second 20, on third 10, fourth 40, and fifth 30. Okay, so these are the values that we have assigned to this array. Now we will see how we can use lookup function to search the position or dimension of any particular array element. So suppose if right now we can see it because we are assigning the values, but suppose we have one array in which there are multiple dimension, and on which we have a particular value for which we want to find the exact dimension for that array. So in that case we will use this lookup function. So suppose if I want to find out the position of this 40, so in that case what I will do, I will use lookup function. So here on line number 30 we are using the same. So here you have to use percentage lookup, and in place of array element you can write 40 because we want to find the dimension of 40 element, and after a colon you have to pass the array name. So my array name is amount. Once this function is executed, it will return the dimension or the position of that array, array element 40. So it will stored in this variable position, and below to that we are just displaying the that variable and setting the star I and lr equals to star on. It means the program is ended here. So if I compile it and check by calling it, so it is returning 4. So let's check in the program. So it is correct, returning the correct output. Why? Because 40 is present at fourth dimension, so it is returning the correct. Okay, so suppose if we change it to 10, then what it will return? It should return 3. So let's take it again to the debug mode, edit mode, and change it to 10 and compile it. So now it should return 3 because 10 is present at third dimension. So it is returning the correct output. So that's how we can use percentage lookup built-in function to find the position of any particular array element in the array. So it takes two argument. First is array element and second is array name on which you want to perform, or on which from which you want to search the array element. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.